Want a home that practically runs itself? These smart viral TEMU gadgets are designed to save time, reduce effort, and make everyday living way more convenient. From smart storage to clever automation, they make your space smarter without breaking the bank. All products are linked in the description below. Small space? No problem. This clever tension shelf instantly adds a sturdy storage spot wherever you need it. Just twist to expand, wedge it in place, and you've got a solid rack for clothes, towels, books, or even plants. It adjusts to fit closets, cabinets, and nooks in your bathroom or kitchen. And thanks to the non-slip ends, it stays put, even under heavy use. Let's face it, your toothbrush deserves better. This wall-mounted holder doesn't just organize your bathroom, it zaps germs with built-in UV light while it's at it. You get space for the whole family, plus a handy toothpaste dispenser that keeps things mess-free. It even lights up to show when it's working or charging, so you're never guessing. Setup is simple, and your sink area finally gets the glow-up it needs. This nightstand doesn't just sit pretty, it does it all. With built-in LED lights, wireless charging, and 2 USB ports, it's your bedside command center. You can switch between cozy, warm tones or bright white light with a simple tap. 3 roomy drawers give you tons of storage, and the sleek glass top adds a luxe touch. It's perfect for keeping your space stylish, smart, and clutter-free. Ever wonder where to stash that bulky wash basin when it's not in use? This clever wall-hanging rack has your back. It folds flat when you don't need it and holds strong when you do. Just stick it up and start organizing. Use it in the kitchen or bathroom for holding basins, rinsing veggies, or keeping random bits out of the way. Super simple, super handy. Who says shelves have to be boring? This foldable 5-tier rack rolls in with serious storage power. It holds a ton, literally up to 450 pounds, without wobbling or warping. You can fold it flat when not in use, then roll it out again when clutter strikes. Just pop it open, stack it up, and roll it wherever you need it: garage, kitchen, or basement. Tired of messy soap bottles cluttering your sink area? This 2-in-1 soap dispenser with sponge holder keeps everything neat and right where you need it. Just press down to get the perfect amount of soap while your sponge stays conveniently stored on top. It's super easy to refill, leak-proof, and blends into any kitchen setup. A small upgrade that makes your dishwashing routine a whole lot smoother. Looking for storage that won't ruin your walls? This no-drill suction rack is a clever solution for bathrooms or kitchens. It sticks firmly without tools, stays put even in humidity, and offers plenty of room for your essentials. The open base lets water drain fast, keeping things dry and clean. When it's time to clean or rearrange, just pop it off and move it. Tight on space, but still need reliable drying options? This Trifold wall-mounted drying rack makes laundry day easier without hogging square footage. It folds neatly against the wall when not in use, yet opens up to hold a surprising amount of clothing. Whether you install it in your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony, it stays sturdy and rust-free. If counter space is always tight, this over-the-sink dish rack could be your new favorite kitchen upgrade. It adjusts to fit a wide range of sink sizes and stacks vertically with room for dishes, cups, utensils, even paper towels. The clever U-shaped base and suction cups keep everything stable, while water drains right into the sink. A smarter way to dry dishes without hogging your counter. This isn't just a sink, it's a full kitchen workstation that transforms how you prep, wash, and clean. With a sleek waterfall design, multi-mode faucet, cup washer, and even a built-in cutting board, It turns daily chores into a streamlined routine. The smart controls and silent insulated basin make everything feel more efficient and modern. Whether you're heading out on a trip or just need a breeze while working, this foldable fan keeps things cool and convenient. It's ultra quiet, remote controlled, and compact enough to fit in a backpack or suitcase. With adjustable height, auto oscillation, and a powerful rechargeable battery, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or even outdoor setups. Say goodbye to messy rice bags and half-open cereal boxes. This rotating rice bucket makes dry food storage way more fun and functional. It spins smoothly so you can grab what you need without digging around. The sealed lid keeps everything fresh, and the thickened design means it's built to last. Whether it's rice, oats, or snacks, you'll love how tidy and easy it keeps your kitchen. When space is tight but chores keep coming, this foldable bucket has your back. It pops open to hold over 4 gallons of water, then collapses flat when you're done. The sturdy handle makes carrying easy, and there's even a spout to pour without spilling. Use it for mopping, camping, laundry, or just stashing ice for drinks. It's lightweight, durable, and ready for anything you throw at it. Getting kids to wash their hands just got a whole lot easier. This adorable duck faucet extender brings the water closer, so little hands don't have to reach so far. The soft silicone design fits snugly over most faucets and helps control the flow to prevent messy splashes. Its cartoon look makes hand washing feel like playtime. Who says hand washing can't be fun? This touchless duck-shaped soap dispenser adds a splash of personality to your sink while keeping things mess-free. Just hold your hand under the beak, and it automatically gives you the perfect amount of soap. Made from durable high-index plastic, it's built to handle daily splashes in both the kitchen and bathroom. Laundry doesn't have to be a big production. This mini washer folds down flat, but opens up to handle socks, underwear, and baby clothes with ease. It's got 3 wash settings and a spin basket to help things dry faster. Touch controls make it super simple to use. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, or out camping, you can wash what you need. No laundromat required. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and messy bags. This no drill hanger rack sticks right to your wall and gives you 10 adjustable clips for all your small essentials. Hang seasoning packets, snack bags, or even accessories in a clean, organized line. It's made of sturdy plastic and installs in seconds. No tools needed. Perfect for kitchens, closets, or anywhere you need a little extra order without taking up space. Hosting just got a whole lot cuter. This flower-shaped snack box isn't just eye-catching. It rotates open to reveal 10 separate compartments for all your favorite treats. From dried fruit and nuts to candy and chips, everything stays neatly sorted and covered. Plus, it even doubles as a phone holder on top, so you can snack and stream hands-free.